was very nostalgic for me, my own stomping ground there, but it hasn't exactly been walking weather this weekend. Lots of thunder and lightning out there at the moment. But taking a look back to June, and June again has been a warmer than average month by a whole degree on the long-term average, the mean and the maximum temperature. And as a consequence, it's been a dry month because we had high pressure for a lot of the time close to the north and west, hence it's drier here. But the southeast, closer to low pressure, have had twice their monthly and in places 3 times their June average rainfall. And it certainly is wet out there at the moment, but not really where we've needed it. You may have seen on the news this week that up in parts of Highland, we're seeing the river levels, the loch levels, much lower than they normally are, the lowest levels for about 5 years. As a result, residents have been asked to reduce the water consumption. But today's showers have been fairly indiscriminate. We've got them just about everywhere. And they are heavy, they're thundery as well. Some torrential downpours out there this evening, notably east of the Pennines across Northern Ireland, running up into central parts of Scotland, into Highland as well. And they will continue through this evening, perhaps the thunder and lightning easing a little overnight and certainly in southern areas, but for all of us quite mild, quite muggy as well in northern and eastern areas with some low-level fog around the coast. And that's because we've got low pressure in charge. More rain up in the north tomorrow, this next area of low pressure looming large towards the south. So I'll talk about that in just a moment. But for the day tomorrow, it does look as if we'll see the continuation of showers, longer outbreaks of rain across Scotland, across Northern Ireland, Northern England, easing a little here later, and for Wales. Drier for most of England and Wales compared with today, but not ruling out the odd shower, but feeling warmer with that sunshine. But only because it's almost the calm before what looks like quite a nasty little area of low pressure coming in tomorrow evening and overnight. Quite a downpour of rain for many, but the winds cause concern. Some unseasonably windy weather, gales through the Channel Islands, the English coastal areas, and we could have some lively gusts of wind inland as well. So that's certainly one we're keeping a close eye on. Pretty unusual for this time of year. That rain on Tuesday is likely to drift further northwards, affecting parts of Scotland. Further north and west, we think showers following on behind as well, all circulating that area of low pressure. Low pressure, unsettled weather, certainly some showers around, but warm in between, particularly by the time we get to Wednesday, because that low starts to meander out into the North Sea. The isobars are not so tightly packed, which means the showers, when they come along, will be slow moving. And again, there could be some heavy ones with hail and thunder, but equally, the sunny spells in between will be longer as well. So some warmth where you see the sunshine, but equally, you can see it looks like quite an unsettled picture on Wednesday. Thursday sees that low pressure starting to ease away again, and indeed high pressure, the Azores high, starting to just nudge its way in from the south and the west, allowing more drier weather, more sunny weather to come through. But again, showers are still in the forecast and there could still be some heavy ones around, particularly we think in eastern areas closer to the area of low pressure, further away from that Azores high. Come Friday, hopefully on balance, more dry and sunny weather, as we'll see on Tuesday, than showers, but those showers are certainly in the forecast and again in eastern areas. But between temperatures getting up to just a bit above average, 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. So not a great shakes on temperatures this week. I'll hand you back to Ellie and Matt now on Wimbledon Common, where we could have some showers for the tennis this week.